Alright, welcome back to PinballHelp. Mike here. We are working on this stern Jurassic Park, and I just pulled the coil stop off, and as you can see, it pretty much, there's a brass or non-conductive part that holds the coil stop onto the plate that just completely disintegrated. So it completely fell off. The plate also bent a little bit, but this was just completely broken off. So whatever they're using is pretty poor quality. With the coil stop broken off, something else happened too. The plunger got all mushroomed because the coil stop was actually bouncing around inside of the sleeve, and it kind of mushroomed this. So I have to take this off and work on it. Luckily, I'm here in a restaurant, so they've got these cool abrasive pads they use to clean the grills that I'm going to use to polish up this plunger here and make it nice and shiny so it won't stick anymore. So that's kind of what I'm at right now. I've got a replacement one that I'm going to put in here. Hopefully it's not as bad as the other one, but we shall see. Very premature failure of this flipper assembly, so hopefully Stern will fix this. Thanks for watching, and more later.